Hello friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. So today in this video we learn how to do binning in Power BI. Okay, so you can do the binning in Power BI using Power Query. Let's say I have a sample data like this. Let's say okay 1, 5, okay, then 11, 13, 14, okay. 20s I will take two values and 30s let's say one value and 40s okay three values, okay, 50s let's say one value, 60s two values, okay, 70s okay let's say two values, okay, like this I have values. So I want to create binning, okay. So my output should look like let's say 1 and 5 should be in the range 0 to 10, okay, and 11, 12, 13, 11, 13 and 14 should be in the range 10 to 20, okay. So like that I have to create the binnings. Then in Power View I will go to the visual and I will select the filter, then that group should be displayed. That is my goal, okay. So to do binning we can add a column and add column from example, then type binning for the first number, that is 0.10, 0-10, okay. So it will create binning for all other numbers. Okay. So 5, 1, 0 to 10, 5, 0 to 10, and 11, 13, 14 will be 10 to 20, and 23, 25 should be 20 to 30, like that. It will create binning for you. Okay. And select this, then go to your visual. Okay. Then add table here. Okay. Then select column and range, and it is aggregating sum of columns, so remove the aggregation here like this, okay. Then select a slicer and select the range here with the binnings and filter whatever range you want, okay, like this. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi tutorials for more such amazing Power BI videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.